Waiting is a very wasteful thing, and when you put this down you have to wait 20 seconds. That's 20 seconds you could be doing other things, and so you create a work rhythm so as not to waste. In this case with the hoodies, when that goes down, you're picking up a size sticker and you're sticking it on a hoodie. As you turn it around, you do the other side, it goes down again, you're then clicking in a swing tag. This means that you're always doing something and you're not waiting. This is your work rhythm. When you finished all that, you can then fold the hoodies. Folding hoodies is quite easy. Pop it front down, fold back the hood, fold in both the arms and then fold in half and then just drop it in the box.